Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I'm gonna show how to make this animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, first one, select this web layer and press P. Let's move it down and go to here, enable title action save and make new passing keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes and move it up. Go to again 10 keyframes. Let's move it down. Again go to 10 keyframes, move it up, and again go to 10 keyframes, move it down, again move it up, and finally again go to 10 keyframes and move it down like this. So select keyframes, make easies. We have more keyframes for bonus animation. Let's see. Okay, that's good. Select keyframes, right mouse and keyframe interpolation. Change auto bezier to linear. Click OK. Okay, looks good. So select this web and go to here. Let's hold shift, press S, open scale and click this icon. Let's make scale keyframe. Change scale like this and go to next keyframe. Go to 10 keyframes. Hold shift, press page down in the keyboard. Okay, so after go to 10 keyframes, let's change scale 110. Go to again 10 keyframes, change 90. Again go to 10 keyframes, change 100. Again we have more keyframes for bonus animation. Select keyframes, make easies, or click F9 and move to left. Let's see. Nice, very good. So right now let's select this pencil and let's go to pen behind icon, move the anchor point down, click selection tool and move to right this layer. Right now let's press S, open scale, change scale 0, make scale keyframe and go to 10 keyframes, change 100. Select keyframes, make easies, and in this time go to here, hold shift, press P, make new passing keyframe. Let's move it up and go to 10 keyframes, move it down. Let's hold Ctrl R and go to here, left mouse, move it down. Okay, so select these two passing keyframes, make easies, and let's select these two passing keyframes. Let's move to right a little bit. Okay, and let's zoom to here. Select this pencil, go to 3 keyframes, 1, 2, 3. For go to frame by frame keyframes, use page down in keyboard. So after go to 3 keyframes, let's move it up a little bit. And go to 3 keyframes again, 1, 2, 3. Select this middle keyframe, copy paste. And let's see animation. Okay, we have problem with keyframes. Select these all keyframes, right mouse, go to keyframe interpolation, change current settings to linear, click OK. Let's say again. Okay, so select these keyframes, go to graph editor and let's zoom to graph. I want to make falling graph for realistic movements. So select this graph and move to right. Let's see. Nice, very good. And back to keyframes, go to first, second, and let's add rotation keyframes. Hold shift, press R, open rotation, make rotate keyframe and change rotation -25 and go to here, change 15 and go to here, change -10 or change 0. Let's see. Okay, we can change this -5 and go to next keyframe, change rotation. Let's zoom to here. Okay, go to 3 keyframe and change a little bit rotation like this and go to again 3 keyframes, 1 to 3. and select this middle keyframe, copy paste. Select these rotation keyframes, make easies, or click F9. Let's see. Nice. So go to here and select this rotation keyframe, delete. Let's say again. Okay, go to first rotation keyframe, change like this. Okay, select the second keyframe for rotation, move to left. Okay, that's good. And select these rotation keyframes, go to graph editor. Also, let's make smooth graph. Let's select here. And make rotations like this. Okay, let's zoom to here. Let's move to left a little bit. Okay, not bad. So back to keyframes, and in this time go to here, select this web layer and make new passing keyframe, and go to 5 keyframes. Let's move to right. And select keyframes, go to graph editor, make graphs like this. Okay, back to keyframes and select this pencil and make rotation keyframe, and go to here, change rotation like this. Let's change rotation like this and go to back. Let's make new passing keyframe, go to some keyframes and move to up, change rotation more. Let's see. Okay, so select these rotation keyframes, go to graph editor and zoom to graph, select these rotation and let's move to right graph for falling graph. Let's see. Okay, back to keyframes and go to last rotation keyframe and press page down for 3 keyframes. 1, 2, 3. Let's zoom to here. Change rotation like this for bounce animation. Go to 3 keyframes again. 1, 2, 3. Select first keyframe, copy paste. Let's see. Nice. Okay, so in this time let's go to here. I want to add some elements. Go to pen tool and let's make one line. Hold shift, make one line. Clisation tool and change color to white and select this shape layer. Go to search. Let's search here stroke and let's close again open stroke. Change bed cap to round cap for smooth and finish lines. So select this shape layer 1, go to pen tool. Let's hold this point and hold shift. Change size a little bit. Clisation tool, change stroke width. Okay, and let's make animation. Select the shape layer, move right and go to add. Let's use trim paths and let's close shape 1 and open trim paths 1. Let's change end 0, make end keyframe, go to some keyframes, change 100%. So let's select work area, let's see. Okay, nice. Select keyframes, make easies and select last keyframe, move to left and go to here. Let's make start keyframe, go to here, change 100. Select start keyframes, make easies. Let's say again. This very slowly. Select these last 2 keyframes, move to left. Again, select keyframes, move to left for more slow animation. Nice. So right now let's go to last keyframe and select this shape layer. Go to edit and split layer or Ctrl Shift D. Delete shape layer 2 and close settings. Select the shape layer and let's press R, change rotation like this. Okay, So let's put here and chain rotation, move to here, and Control D for duplicate, move to right, and move to left, duplicate layer, press R, chain rotation, and move to here. Again Control D, move to right, and move to left, press R, chain rotation. Let's see. Okay, so let's close settings, select these shape layers, and let's see timing. Okay, let's move to left. Let's see here. Nice. Let's move to left a little bit. Okay, that's good. So guys, thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.